Gusto po? Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey! Wave your hands, wave your hands. Wait mo na, wait. Okay, clap, clap. Clap, clap. Okay, ready. Okay, follow me. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap. Alright. Clap. And right. Wow! Oh, si Mami, oh. Okay, clap your hands naman dyan. And dahil dyan, okay, kakantahan natin ng happy birthday si... Ayan, bakit kami ba hindi alam yung pangalan ng birthday celebrant, ha? Okay, sige. Ngayon, celebrate natin ang birthday ni... Ayun, and dahil dyan, kakantahan natin siya ng happy birthday! Okay, come your hand. Alright, kailangan sabay-sabay, kailangan malakas yung boses, ha? Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Louder, louder! Yun! Lakas na, lakas na! Okay, greet natin siya. Sabihin natin, Happy Birthday, Macy! Go!
Happy birthday, Macy!
Ay, wala. Hindi siya naka-smile. Mahina daw. One more. Yung malakas. Okay, say, Happy Birthday, Macy! Go!
Happy birthday, Macy!
Yon. And now, ganito. Si Mommy at si Daddy, pipili ng isang lalaki at isang babae na unang-unang bibigyan nila ng premyo. So, upo